Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about some exam strategies for cost accounting, where I am going to discuss in this video the unit-wise question bank for 4 and 8 marks. So let's get started. Talking about the unit number 1, which is Introduction to Cost Accounting, the 4 marks questions that are very popularly asked are: define cost accounting, mention any two differences between cost accounting and financial accounting, what are the elements of cost, write any two advantages of cost accounting, and what is the role of a cost accountant. Talking about the 8 marks question from this particular unit, these are: first, explain the objective and advantages of cost accounting, discuss the difference between cost accounting and financial accounting in detail, explain the concept of cost, types, classification of cost with examples, and the last one is: what are the essential steps to install a costing system in organization. Let's move on to the unit number 2, which is elements of cost, material and labor. So the popular 4 mark questions that are being asked from this unit is: what is economic order quantity? What is a bin card? Define idle time and its treatment. What is labor turnover? And what is the difference between timekeeping and bookkeeping? The 8 marks questions that are popularly asked from this unit are: explain any two methods of pricing material issues, example FIFO, LIFO or weighted average method. What are the techniques of inventory control? Describe the treatment of material losses in cost accounting, and explain the methods of wage payment and incentive schemes like Halsey, Robin or Taylor. Talking about unit number 3, overheads, the popularly asked 4 marks questions are: what are overheads? What is the difference between allocation and apportionment of overheads? What is overabsorption and underabsorption? What is activity based costing? And write any two terms that need special treatment in cost accounts. Talking about the 8 marks questions, the questions are: explain the classification and treatment of overheads with examples, explain absorption of overheads with a suitable example, what is activity based costing and how it is different from traditional costing, and explain how to treat bad debts, interest or packing expenses in cost accounting. Let's move on to the unit number 4, which is the methods of costing, which includes the 4 major subtypes: unit, contract, job or batch. So the 4 marks questions are: what is job costing? Define contract costing. What is the difference between job costing and batch costing, and what is a cost sheet? Define tender price and quotation price. The popularly asked 8 marks questions from this unit are: prepare a cost sheet from the given data, explain contract costing with a format and calculation of profit on incomplete contract. Explain the features and advantages of job costing. Differentiate between job costing, batch costing, and contract costing. The questions asked from unit number 5: what is process costing? What is joint product and byproduct? Inter-process profit, define cost ledger, and what is the reconciliation of cost in financial accounts. The 8 marks questions that are being asked from this unit are: explain the preparation of process costing with wastage treatment, discuss the accounting treatment of joint products and byproducts, what is the difference between integral and non-integral accounting systems, and explain the process of reconciliation between cost and financial accounting. I hope these questions are useful for your preparation of cost accounting paper. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you.